This is the SAMSHOW electric lunchbox. Let's take it out of the box. In the box, you get the lunchbox itself. Now, I'm showing it to you this way because all of the accessories can pack right inside of it, and that's how you receive it, just like that. So let's take everything out. In the box, you get some instructions. They give you a spoon and a fork, so that's convenient because that way you'll always have the utensils that you're going to need. They pack up right in here, both at the same time, so you always have everything you need, just like that. There's, of course, a handle here, so you can take it with you, because that's kind of the idea. They give you a nice carry bag for it, with handle. So that's nice also, so you can put that inside the bag and carry everything, including your power cords, because you're not putting that in with the food, obviously. So this way you have everything you need there. And they also give you a container here. They call this a fruit box, but you can put anything you like in there. This can be packed separately, of course, if you, let's say you have some cantaloupe, for example, in there. You don't want to heat that up. That wouldn't be any good. So this way you just have a nice little container for your stuff there. So that's convenient. Let's go ahead and open it up. It has clips on each side, and the lid comes off. This is a steam vent right here, so you can see how that moves like that, so that way it'll let any steam out. And here is the actual unit. Okay, you have a power light right there. These are all the clips for that, and a stainless steel insert over here. Insert, that means it is removable. Easy cleanup. You just wash this and you're done. Just like that, and it's ready for use the next day. But like I said, it's an electric lunchbox. Check it out. Standard US power cord right here that would plug in, and a cigarette lighter plug that would also plug in like that. So this works in the car, and it works in the house or in the office or wherever you're going to use it. So the idea behind this here is you put your food in here that you're going to have for lunch, for example, and then you put the lid on, plug it in, whatever your choice, and it's going to heat up. It's 60 watts, and it takes between 20 and 40 minutes to heat your lunch up. So if you eat lunch at, let's say, 12, let's say you have an office, okay, so you can bring this in with a nice handle on it and that. You can put your food in here, bring it in, and then maybe about, you want to eat about noon, so maybe about 11 o'clock it's time to go to the bathroom, something like that. So you do your thing for a couple minutes, come back, plug this guy in. It's going to be piping hot by the time you're ready to eat, for sure. And then you can enjoy a nice hot lunch that you brought from home with your own ingredients. And that way, of course, hopefully, it's healthier that way. Also, like I said, you get the two power plugs here, so that's 120 volts. And this plug for the car works on 12 and 24 volts. That's convenient. Maybe you're a construction worker. Some of those trucks have 24 volts inside, so it'll work with that as well. What I'm going to do, because if I put food in here, it's kind of hard to quantify how hot it is. You know, I could tell you it's hot and that's it. It's not going to make any difference. I'm going to put some water in here, show you the temperature, and then I'm going to leave it for a while plugged in, and we'll check it later. So I just have some water in there. It's just whatever came out of the tap, and that's reading, let's just give it a couple of seconds there. Looks like about 71.8 on there. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. 71.6. So we'll just call it about 71, 72. And now I have it plugged in. I'll apply power to it. And I'm going to leave this for a while. I'm going to put the lid on, of course, also. And we'll let this cook, and I'll come back sometime later. Incidentally, this will hold 1.5 liters, and the fruit box over here will hold half a liter. So this way you can have the measurements of how much will fit in here. And remember, like I said, this comes out for easy cleaning later on. So about a half hour has passed now. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. right there. Let me just get that out of the way so we have a little room here. And now we're going to open it up and see what it heated to. Now we were at about 76 degrees before. Put that down. And I'll get my thermometer. 148, 149, 150 degrees. Almost 150 degrees in about a half hour. Not bad at all. Now this isn't going to cook food, this is just to reheat it. But even still, 150 degrees, you know, it's nice and hot, and the water is indeed nice and hot as well. So this is really nice. It's got a silicone seal on the lid. Let me go ahead, and there's going to be some water on there obviously because that's just what happens. Let me put this back on. Make sure everything is clipped in and on, and we're good. And you could take that with you, no problem, just like that. Bring this to work, put it on a construction site, anything like that. Charge in the car, or I'm sorry, power off the car, or in a truck, or at home, or the office, using the AC plug. All around a really, really handy lunchbox that'll heat your food. And like I said, everything packs up inside, so you can go ahead and we'll put the spoon in there and the fork, and it closes up. This way you have your utensils right there and you're ready to go. Very, very convenient electric lunchbox from SAMSHOW. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.